it said that pet name hasn't been declared yet. So the pet name, you can see, the pet name already created, right? But pet name is a capital letter. This is not. So you just change the N to the capital. Hello everyone, welcome back to Coding Scratch. Today we continue our lesson in the unit 4, variable, conditional, and function. Okay, so lesson 1 and lesson 2 we have completed. Now we go to lesson 3, variable practice. So it's time for us to practice the variable knowledge that we have learned. Okay, so we go to the puzzle 1, assigning number and string. Okay, okay, you can see this instruction here, and the left hand side is our app screen. Okay, so do this, run this program, watch the variable change value in the watch area. As you have known about the watcher or watch area, this is the watch area. Okay, so after that, discuss with a partner on which line is a variable being created, on which line is a variable being assigned. Okay, so you just click run and see the watcher area or watch area here. Okay, now the variable my favorite number is changed to 1 and my favorite food pizza. Okay, so you can see the yellow highlight, it represents the process of the code is run. Okay, so you can see this console. My favorite number is, it is number 1 here, and my favorite food is pizza. It also logged in the debug console here. Okay, so for the first question, on which line is a variable being created? You can see the code here. So which line is variable being created? So this line, these two lines, line 1 and line 2, was my favorite number, was my favorite food, where our variable being created. Okay. Another question, on which line is a variable being assigned? So this line, we have assigned the number 1 to my favorite number, assign pizza such a string to my favorite food. Okay. After that, we console.log or we print it out in the debug console here. Okay. And we can track our variable value in the watch area or watcher here. You can add the variable here to track it. Okay. So change the number assigned to my favorite number and string assigned to my favorite food and run the program again. So I change it to 10. My favorite food is not pizza. I just put like chicken. Okay. So after that, I click reset and run again. And you can track this, the favorite number change to 10 and favorite food to the chicken. Okay. In the debug console also change. Okay. Like that. So this is we call assign, right? This is assign for the first one is like that. Another way you can make like this to update, right? You can change it by your own in another line. Okay, like that. Change number and string. You can say like my favorite number equal to 10. My favorite food assigned to chicken. Okay, like that. After that, you can run it again. So the last line, these two lines, it is below these two lines, so the variable will take this value. Okay, so chicken, 10 and chicken. Okay, so you can see the value change from 1 to 10 and pizza to chicken. Okay, so that's all for the first puzzle here. You finish it. Okay, we go to the next puzzle. Okay, this is over screen, same. So there are few rule for variable name. Okay, that is talking about the rule to put or to the name of variable, right? So the first is capitalize matter. Okay, my var is not the same my var because this is the small, this is the capital. Okay, it is not the same. Next, variable name can't have space in them. Okay, my var are low, but my vars, my and space var is not. So my var underscore between my and var is a low, right? And variable can't start with a number. Okay, I already mentioned about it. My var, oh no, var2 is a low, but 2 var is not. Variable name should always be clear and meaningful. Okay, it is easy to you to remember what is the value should be stored in that variable. So the variable name should be meaningful, not ABC as you put it will be confusing in the next when you come back to see your code. Okay, so do this. Okay, discuss with a partner. How can the red yellow warning can help you to debug code? Okay, debug this program so that it run without error. Add 3 lines to the story. Make sure you use at least one variable. Okay, so for the yellow and the red warning, it helps us to debug the our program and find the error and fixing it before we run it. Okay, so it is so useful for developer and programmer, right? Okay, so the yellow warning, when you hover on it, it said that pet name hasn't been declared yet. So the pet name, you can see, the pet name already created, right? But pet name is a capital letter. This is not. So you just change the N to the capital. And this pet type should not have the space between pet type. So you just delete the space. And this one, way. Okay, this is pet way, not only the word way. You can put the pet and W is capital. Another one is pet name. Pet name P is not the capital. Just change it. Okay. We already debug our program already. And the next is we add 3 lines more in the console.log and use one variable to show. So I just console.log. So I say like, it is so cute like that. Enough for that. I said console.log. Okay. Oh, I can see something is here. Pet type. Pet type is, I think it is the name of the variable. The name of the variable should not put inside the quotation. Okay, so you just delete it. Okay. So it is so cute. After that, I just put the pet type as a variable too. After that, I can say that log. I put the word in my house. In my house. Okay, and that's all. This is where we use the variable in the console, right? Click run. And you can track the pet name here in the watcher area. Okay, Jackson, Iuna, and 60. After that, the My Story, it will be shown in the console.log here. You can drag it be faster like that to find where the code we have added. So this is code we have added. It is so cute, Iuna in my house like that. So this is example, right? So this that's all for the puzzle 2. Continue. Okay, in puzzle 3, this program use arithmetic operator like plus, minus, okay, divide by, or multiply by, okay, to write expression. So run the program to see how it works. Okay, 3 of question are missing code. 3 question are missing code, right? Write expression that if evaluate to the correct answer. Comment show you how to do it. You may find it easier to switch to the text mode. So if you are in the block mode, you can switch it to the text mode here. Okay, this is the arithmetic operator like plus, minus, or we can call it like add operator or subtract operator, multiply operator, and this is divide operator. Okay, so we can run this program first to see how it works. So how many hours in a week? Okay, you can see the 7 multiplied by 24. Okay, the result will be shown the in the hour in a week, right? Hour in a week. And how many second in a year? You can see this line. You can see like, okay, now I just drag it off to be faster. Okay, we just keep track this question. Okay, how many second in a year? Okay, like 60 multiply 24 multiply 365. Okay, and what is the 72-degree Fahrenheit in Celsius? Okay, that is we convert degree from Fahrenheit to Celsius. Okay, after that, another question is missing, like 1, 2, and 3 here. So what do the number 1 through 10 add up to? Okay, so we want that number add from 1. It means that 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 and plus 5 like that. Okay, so it's quite easy, right? You just console.log and you can see like 1 plus 2, like plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 and then plus 10. Okay, after that the next question, what do number 1 through 10 multiply to? Okay, it is the same, you just copy it. Okay, copy this code and change this to the multiply by operator like that. Okay, I just put some space for easy to read the code, right? Like that. What is 1 divided by 7? Okay, it is simple too. Your code may have changed. Okay, just click it and console.log. And after that, 1 divided by 7. Okay, so reset it and run again. So you can see that all question has its answer, and the last 3 is our answer here. Okay, 1 through 10 add up to, and 1 through 10 multiply to, and 1 divide by 7. Okay, so this is all the answer. So the word below, or the word up here, is expression. What is the expression? So this is the expression, and also the expression. This also the expression. So all the number that have the use the operator between each other, we call it the expression. Okay. So that's all for this puzzle. Finish it. Okay, we go to the puzzle 4. Variable can be created and assigned using single command like var my age equal to 16. Okay, you can use a variable in an expression like my var plus my age plus 1. The value of variable is used to evaluate the expression. Okay, it is right. Do this. Run the code to see how it works. Keep an eye on the watch panel in the bottom right. Okay. Okay. Run. You can track to see my age is 16, and our code is still running here. Okay. You can see the code in the line 11, my age plus 1. But our age is still 16 are the same. My age plus 10, it's still the same, right? Okay. So which line of code use a variable inside an expression? So which line? Okay, that we use the variable my age inside an expression. So you can keep your eye. This is not expression, but here in the line 11 and the line 15. So these two lines, we use a variable in an expression. Okay. Does the value of the variable ever change? Why? Because our variable my age, it is doesn't not assign or not change yet. Okay. Because we all see that my age is, we used to print it out for the first line in the line 7, and after that console.log we use the 16 as a value to plus 1, so it is become 17, but it is not assigned the value to my my age again. Okay, so my age is still 16 the same. In the line 15, my age is still 16. Okay, even it plus 10, because it's not assigned to my age again. Okay, that is why. But if we not use that, we cut it like that, cut it and pass like that, and after that I assign it to my age again, my age like that. So when you use my age right here, and you can keep track the eye on this watcher, you can see that my age will be increased by 1. Okay, you can see like that. Okay, so this is we assign this value to our variable. But if we only use the as an expression and not assign the value to the variable doesn't change anymore. Okay, it's still the same. So add a code use variable expression to complete the story. There are commands to show. Okay, so we can go down there to see console.log here. In 15 years, I will be. So you just console.log. Okay. You just console.log and my age plus like 50. It's quite the same as an expression. You use the variable. Another one, I have lived for about. Okay. Calculate your age in month. Okay. Calculate your age in month. It is the same, right? You can see the 16 multiplied by the number of the month in a year, right? 12, 12 months in a year. So we can click run and drag it faster. Okay. So this is the our code that we have had. In 15 years, I will be 66 years old and I have lived for about 162 months. Okay. You can see my age is still 16. So this is the all this sentence is in the future, right? This is the right now. I am 16. Next year, also future. At 10 years from now, it will be the future. 15 years, I will be so the future. Okay. I have lived for. It is expressed that how long we have lived. Okay. So I have lived for 162. Okay. So that's all for the puzzle 4. Finish it. Okay. Next, the plus operator can be used to join or concatenate two strings or a number and a string. Okay. Concatenate, it means that we put the word and the word together to console or to print it out. Okay. So like sun plus right, it will be evaluate to sunrise. For plus ever, it will be become the forever, forever like that. And after that, the slash n character is a new line character will make string print across multiple lines. So run the program to see how it does and write the code to answer the last two questions. Use string concatenate to make the response print on the single string. Okay, so you click run to see how it works. Okay, we can see this one string print on multiple lines. Hi there, I am 16 years old. How many weeks have you been alive? I have been alive for, okay, 832 weeks, okay. And how many days you have been alive? Okay, there's two questions that we have to answer here. Okay, so you can see this will create the variable and console.log. This is the example for using the slash n operator. The slash n character, not operator, it will be make the new line when before we print it out another word. So this is the example of the slash n. And after that is story that we use the combine or concatenate the string with the variable. Okay, so hi, so this is our string, and plus it means that it's concatenate to the age. Okay, what about the age? Age is 16, so it will be I am. Okay, you can see hi there, and after that it is slash n and print I am. After that the age is 16 here, and after that it print the years over here, and after that it is slash n again. So this is we have seen about the concatenate between the string and variable. And this is the string too and concatenate with the expression. Okay. And after that plus or concatenate to another string big. Okay. like that. So we can use the like that inside the our console.log here too. How many days have you been alive? So we can console.log. Okay, after that you can say like I have been alive for, and after that we can concatenate with the variable. So you can use the age, okay, to break it to the day, right? Before you break it to the day, you can multiply it with the month. Oh no, we not multiply by 12. We multiply to the day, right? Because we want to know the day. So we multiply by 365. Okay. So you can plus or concatenate to the string like day, like that. Okay. Okay. Another question here is the console the log and how many months. Okay. I have lived for. Okay. After that, I plus or concatenate to each multiply by 12. Okay. You can use this bracket. Okay. After that, I put month. This also easy for you to read. Okay. It make your code readable like that. Okay. Something went wrong if we have missing the semicolon here. Okay. So we click reset and run. Okay. Make it faster. 16 years old. How many weeks? Okay. It is week. It is day. Okay. This is the day. And this is the month. Okay. So that's all for this puzzle. So in this lesson 3, it take a little bit long. So I separate it into 2 parts. So this is the end of the part 1. Okay. See you in the next part. Okay.